Hey kids! Today, we're going on an adventure to learn about a super cool insect called the praying mantis. Have you ever heard of a praying mantis? I bet you'll be surprised by how awesome they are. Are you ready to learn some amazing praying mantis facts with me? Let's go! Look at this insect, boys and girls. It looks so funny and interesting, doesn't it? It's holding its front legs together just like it's praying. Isn't that fascinating? That's why it's called a praying mantis. The way it holds its legs makes it look like it's in a prayer. Can you put your hands together like you're praying? Try it out and see how it feels. You're doing a great job. You look just like a praying mantis. Praying mantises are insects, just like ants and beetles. They belong to the same big family of creatures. But they're extra special because of how they look and move. Their movements are so unique and graceful. They have these long, skinny bodies and big eyes on their heads. Those eyes are really something. And guess what? Those big eyes aren't just for looking cute. They serve a very important purpose. They help the praying mantis see really well. They can spot even the tiniest movements. They can even see things that are far away. This helps them in their daily activities. That's important because praying mantises are hunters. They need to see their prey clearly. But the coolest thing about praying mantises is how they hold their front legs. It's really unique. It's like they're always ready to give someone a big hug. But there's more to it than that. But don't be fooled by those praying hands, my little explorers. There's a reason for that posture. The praying mantis isn't really praying, it's actually getting ready for something else. It's getting ready to catch its food. Those legs are perfectly designed for hunting. Those front legs are super strong and have spikes on them to help the praying mantis grab onto its prey. Isn't nature amazing? Did you know that praying mantises have a superpower? Yes, you heard that right. It's true. They can turn their heads almost all the way around. This unique ability sets them apart from most other insects. Can you do that? Wow, that's amazing! Imagine if you could turn your head like that. Praying mantises can turn their heads 180 degrees. That's half a full circle. That means they can see behind them without even moving their body. It's like having a built-in rear-view mirror. That's like having eyes in the back of your head. How cool is that? They can keep an eye on everything around them. They use this superpower to look out for danger and to find yummy insects to eat. It's a crucial skill for their survival. They have to be quick because there are lots of other animals that like to eat insects too. Speed and awareness are key. Imagine being able to see everything around you without even moving your head. It would be like having a superpower. That would be so cool. Praying mantises are amazing. Their abilities make them fascinating creatures to observe. But that's not all. Praying mantises are also expert hiders. They have another trick up their sleeve. They can camouflage themselves, which means they can blend in with their surroundings. This makes them nearly invisible. Some praying mantises are green and look just like leaves, making them hard to spot in the foliage, while others are brown and look like twigs. This helps them stay hidden from both predators and prey. This helps them to sneak up on their prey and to avoid being seen by predators. Their camouflage is a perfect disguise. Are you ready for another amazing praying mantis fact? Well, get ready to be amazed. Here it is. Praying mantises are super speedy hunters. They are like the ninjas of the insect world. They use their powerful front legs to catch their prey with lightning speed. It all happens so fast that you can barely even see it. In fact, their strike is so quick, it takes just a fraction of a second. 1 minute, the insect is just sitting there minding its own business, and the next minute, bam! The mantis has already made its move. It's caught in the mantis's spiky grasp. Praying mantises love to eat insects like flies, crickets, and grasshoppers. They are carnivores, which means that they eat other animals. But don't worry, they won't try to eat you. Their diet helps control the insect population. Their amazing hunting skills help keep those insect populations in check, which is important for the balance of nature. So next time you see a praying mantis, remember that it's a super speedy hunter with lightning-fast reflexes. And even though they might look a little bit scary, they're actually really cool creatures. They play a vital role in maintaining the ecosystem. Have you ever seen a praying mantis fly? It's true, some praying mantises can fly. They have wings hidden under their tough outer shell. Not all praying mantises can fly, but the ones that do are amazing to watch. They use their wings to glide through the air and to escape from predators. Their wings are usually brightly colored, which helps them to attract mates. Imagine seeing a praying mantis flying through the air. It would be like something out of a superhero movie. But even the praying mantises that can't fly are still super cool. They have other ways of getting around, like walking and jumping. No matter how they get around, praying mantises are fascinating creatures with so many amazing adaptations. They're a great reminder that the natural world is full of surprises. Did you know that there are over 2,400 different species of praying mantises all around the world? That's right! They come in all sorts of shapes, sizes, and colors. Some praying mantises are tiny, while others are as big as your hand. Some are bright green, while others are brown or even pink. Some praying mantises even look like flowers or leaves. This helps them to hide from predators and to surprise their prey. Can you imagine mistaking a praying mantis for a flower? That would be so funny. Praying mantises can be found on every continent except Antarctica. They live in all sorts of habitats, including forests, grasslands, and even deserts. No matter where they live, praying mantises are an important part of the ecosystem. They help to control insect populations and are a food source for other animals. Wow, wasn't that amazing? Praying mantises are such cool insects. We learned so much about them today, like how they got their name, how they catch their food, and how many different types there are. Thanks for learning with me today. See you next time, kids.